Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Saicharan and you are watching UNK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Show first name, last name and height of the patients, which is the greatest height. So here they are simply asking, we need the details of the person who is who is having maximum height. So this question can be solved in two different ways. Let us see them. So as usual, select from patients and we need first name, last name and then maximum of height as greatest height. So this is the direct way. Let us check this. So we got the correct answer. Now even we can solve this. We can solve this by using subqueries. Let's try this again. So select from patients. From patients, we are extracting first name, last name as well as height, right? And then now here we need to filter them. We need to filter height as the maximum height, right? We need only height which is the maximum. So to extract such things, height is equals to what I am doing. Select maximum of height from patients. So what I am doing here, I am extracting maximum height value from the table and then I am equating with I am checking it with every column where it matches, it will be extracting that. So let's check it out. This. Yeah, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.